Hey guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make Women's Day card, and for that you just have to take watercolor paper and just trim that in a small size. What we have to do, have some watercolors and make start by making roses. So I have picked the lightest shade of pink, so I will make uh, pink roses all over, and after that I'll choose other colors like in darker tones. So I have to make a combination of light pink and purple and some yellow. So there I'll start painting all the roses, and you'll see the process.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I can lay down beside.
So after cutting these cardstock colored strips, you have to just cut it in this shape and stick it on the card. That is all about the cards. This is the mini simplest floral card for your Mother's Day occasion. You can make it on any occasion you want. So I hope you liked my video and you enjoyed it. If you really like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section and share it with your friends. Thanks for supporting me. Meet you in the next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Enjoy the video till the end.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would